Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm coming at you with another video. Today is just going to be how to use a ratchet strap. Something you should probably know how to do. It's something that's very useful, especially if you're tying down stuff. So when you go to buy a like a ratchet strap set, it's going to come with this guy. You're like, okay, this is this guy, and you're going to have this guy, which is basically like the strap, you know. To get it assembled, take the piece that looks like this. See how this is different on each side? Got this guy. This one specifically, you want it on the back side. Take your strap and feed it through the back on the bottom. Okay. Sneak that right on through the. You see the centerpiece on in there? There's gonna be a little hole. There's a hole on in there. We're just gonna sneak it right on in there. Just sneak him on in there. Okay. See, I'm sneaking it. Messed up my finger, so I'm sneaking it rather slowly. Snuck it through that little piece in the middle, then grab it with the other hand, pull it over top. Okay, now you have your ratchet strap assembled. A couple clicks, and yeah, see, we add some, click it a few more times. It holds right there. So let's put this in action. Alrighty, now that we have the ratchet strap put together, we're ready for the real world use. We're gonna go strap down this canoe on top of a trailer. Since we got it locked, you're not gonna be able to pull this when we have it locked. So pull it apart, you'll be able to pull this, and it moves just like that. We're gonna come on over here to the side of the trailer. A lot of the trailers have these little parts to connect straps on. You'll find it on your trailer or whatever you're trying to hold. Put that on in here. Keep tension on it as you come across so it doesn't jump on out of there. This is a great part where it'd be nice to have some help on the other end, but if you don't have help, it's a little bit harder. But if someone's holding that on there, giving it tension, oh, you're in business. So just keep pulling this cord. You see how we slide like that? Pull that cord tight. Take the bottom, hook it on wherever you're trying to strap down. Keep tension on with the by pulling the top cord. Once you do that, grab your lever on the inside of the ratchet strap and start cranking that on into place. And yeah, you'll see this the cord, or the strap that is, gets retracted on in as we retract on up onto. See, we're getting tension on it in there. A couple more cranks, and get all this line, basically all the strap. You can do whatever you want with it. You can throw it on in there, like bring it on around just like that. Whatever you like to do, your preference. Tie off a fancy knot that I can't do, but it's probably the most professional looking. Stretch it on out just like this. It does take a little bit longer, but wrap it on up, just loop it on around all the way down. And I'm not kidding when I say it takes some time. That's why me personally, I just like to throw it all over the place in there. Let it flap around in the wind. Only kidding at that part. But yeah, as we're getting close, it all depends on different ratchet straps as well. You can pop this piece on up. You feed it through the ratchet itself. And you can clamp that on down. And this is one that I did earlier as I'm not rushing in the video, so looks a little bit better. So, well, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something and you enjoyed. Thank you.